Hello everyone, Sam is here from creativetradingsystem.com. I'm making this quick video about 7-minute chart, what it is and how you open it and how you use it properly. All right. So let's get started. Now the 7-minute chart, our main charts are 40-minute and 20-minute chart, right? And you all know how to use them, 40 and 20. So what we open one 5-minute chart that can host two charts. So we open 40-minute chart and 20-minute chart, right? Now, if you want to open the 7-minute chart, there are two different ways to open the 7-minute chart. One is that you open another 5-minute chart, and under that, you open the 7-minute chart. 5-minute hosting chart, you require another 5-minute chart, like I have it here. See this? I have one 5-minute chart that open 40 and 20, another one 5-minute chart hosting 80-minute and 7-minute. 80-minute is purely for me, for myself, and nowadays I'm not even using it. Forget about that. But even if you want to open a 7-minute chart separate, 40, 20, and 7, then you need to open another 5-minute chart to host the 7-minute, right? Now, if your computer is not that fast or cannot handle it, slows down, then what you can do is that forget about the another 5-minute chart. Just change the 20-minute chart into 7-minute chart. How? 20-minute or 7-minute or 40 minutes. Minute mean nothing. Minute is just the name. Is it a cat? Is it a dog? Is it a horse? Is it a donkey? What is it? So 40-minute means 40 brick size. 20-minute chart means 15 brick size. 7-minute chart means 7 brick size. That's it, right? So the main thing to change the chart or the look of the chart or the look of the candle in the chart is the brick size. So what we do is that we go to 5-minute chart and then open the indicator, right? And see this 20-minute chart, the setting is 20, 20, and 15, right? So it changed the 15 brick size to 7. Now your 20-minute chart becomes a 7-minute chart. Simple as that. So now you see it will change the look, and then now it is a 7-minute chart. It's fast. You can see here how nice, beautiful entries, boom, 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 is going to the upside. If it is trending, right? But when it's not, then it is a very problematic thing, right? So you have to be very careful. That's why I always recommend that look at these entries, right? That's fine. But you need to know when the price is going to do this, right? You can take this, and you don't even have to take all of this. You take one of these and then hold on to it, right? For 70, 80, 100 pips, just like I do. And then after that, it's a boom. See this? How are you going to handle that? So there's a specific way to get into the 7-minute chart. How? Now you know that how to open it, right? You can switch in between a 20 or 40. If you're not using 40, but you want to keep an eye on 20, then change the 40-minute chart and then go there and don't change the 40 or the shift or the time frame, but only the brick size from 40, make it 7, and your chart turns into 7. But make sure that whenever you turn 20 or 40-minute chart into 7-minute chart, the amount of bars you have to reduce to 2,000 immediately. Do not have 30, 40,000 there. Otherwise, see this, the 7-minute chart. For 20-minute chart, I have 6,000. But when you're changing it to 7-minute, make it 2,000, not more than that. All right. Otherwise, your computers might get frozen. All right. So just change it to 2,000. We don't need that many candles for that. 7-minute chart. It's fast, right? But then you want to change it back to 15. Then, oh, come on, man. Goes up 15. And here, instead of the time frame bar, 6,000. I keep it 6,000. So 5,000, 4,000, 6,000. That's it. But for 7-minute, 1,500, 2,000, enough. Got it? So how to open the 7-minute chart. Now, where to use it, when to use it. So let's go, and I'm going to explain that a little bit in, as short as possible. The market has two phases, nothing else, no third. Third phase is also ranging, but we're not talking about that. We don't even trade that thing, right? The two phases that we trade is, one is a retracement and the other one is extension. For example, what the heck is retracement? What is extension? Now, if, for example, this is the move, this is a retracement. But this move is the extension of this move. This was a retracement. Market makes the retracement, lower high, right? Oh, sorry, higher low, right? Going to the upside. This low is higher than the previous. So this is a retracement. Then this become extension to this retracement. Then this become retracement of this extension. And then this become extension to this retracement. Extension means going beyond the starting point. So the last high or the last low. Breaking the last high or the last low and going beyond is extension. Right? Retracement is that staying within the last low or the last high. For example, this is low, but the last low, it couldn't break the last low. So this is a retracement to this, right? But when the price is going, crossing this high here, moving that, right? It's retracement, retracement, retracement. And as soon as it goes higher than that, it becomes an extension, right? So now we have two different ways. What the market goes extended move, then it retrace. Then it go and become extended, then it retrace. It does all the time. See, came down here, the retracement. If it couldn't break that, this is a retracement. Then this low is an extension to this. Now this high is the retracement to this move, right? But this is the extension, or this is extension to this move, right? This small retracement. So keep happening. That happens all the time, right? And some other things happen also as well, like ranging, very bad ranging, and up and down, equal lengths. No, not no retracement, no extension, but instead just up and down, right, in a sideways. We don't want to even deal with that. Forget about that. When you see that, run from there. Okay, just don't even look back. Run as fast as possible. So retracement is the first number one, first degree, what I call. Number one setup or a lucrative setup is the retracement. If you have a 40-minute short setup or long setup or retracement, even not even a setup or a proper setup, doesn't matter. But as long as that it is a retracement of the previous, for example, this move is the ideal one, right? So it went up there, an extended move, and it dropped from there. And now, see, this is our long setup on a 40-minute chart. This is where, when you have a first reversal candle, start watching the 7-minute chart for the entry. You get in from the 7-minute chart, and then you ride a little bit. And after that, around like 40 to 60 pip, you cash out because it's going to retrace on you to make a 20-minute setup, right? And then you take the 20-minute setup, and then you take another 20-minute, and then you take another 20-minute after that. But first entry comes from 7-minute chart after turning point from the 40-minute. You must understand that. If you go taking 7-minute here, you might get lucky, you might not, to be honest with you. I don't do it because it's dangerous. Only first entry from the turning point. When you have red candle, all of a sudden you have a reversal candle, which is, you can see here. What the heck is reversal candle? Is this white candle. You see that? Red. This white candle is a reversal candle. When you have this finished, completed, and the new blue candle is underway, it's still going on, you start watching the 7-minute chart for the proper entry. Proper entry, the rules and regulation. With the rules. Remember that. 5 rules, right? You must have that. Put the alarm over there. And then when the alarm beeps, only then you take the entry. Simple as that. This is how I do it, right? But I know people always deviate from what I say. So it's up to you, right? You can use whatever the way. I just showed you that this is how you can change the 7-minute chart. This is what the setting is. But 7-minute chart is not to use all the time or anywhere. It is specifically after the 40-minute. Either first degree setup is the retracement. Second degree setup is the extension, from the extension, which is always against the trend. The trend is up, right? If you are trying to go short after the reversal candle, this black candle, and then you try to find the 7-minute, you are basically going against the trend. So this is a second degree, it's dangerous as well, right? So if you are not expert of the 20-minute setup, Don't try the 7 minute. That's my recommendation. You want to practice on a demo? That's fine. That's you can do it. Right? Practice, no problem. But the first degree means the best setup is that on a 40-minute chart, after a retracement, setup or not, setup is number one, gold mine, right? If you have our, Magic IB setup, it's a gold mine. But see, like this one, it's not even a setup. Well, no, it's not a setup because this indicator is not all the way down, right? But the trend is up. So you're going with the trend, and then after the reversal candle, see if you can get in from 7 minutes. Take the 7 minute first entry, and that entry should be coming within the 4 to 5 blue candles. That's it. If it is not there within that, and if you are like 7, 8 blue candles here, then forget about the 7 minute entry. Only then wait for the 20-minute entry. Only. Okay. I mean, I'm trying to as clear as possible. So you must understand that these are the rules. That's why I have it. One-on-one courses like that. I explain you where it makes the turn normally. Elliott waves, harmonic patterns, fib levels, right? Once you understand that, then it becomes piece of cake, right? Then you can use 7 minute, 20 minute, 100 minute, whatever you want to use. You know exactly with the territory, the roadmap. Then you can do it. But without knowing that, I would say that just stick to this 20-minute with the trend, 40-minute going to the upside, then 20-minute long only, right? Not even short, because that you will make the turn and then go to the upside again, right? So this is how you use the 7 minute. First is with the first degree means after the retracement is the preferable way to do it, because it is with the trend then, right? You have a retracement, then higher high, then lower high, then you get in from the 7 minute chart, cash out around 40, 50 pip, not to hold, because it may give you 200 pip trade, but most of the time what it does is that it retraces after a little bit to make the 20-minute setup, and then all the profit you are in 30, 40, 50 pip from and 7 minute entry, that will be gone, right? And then you can make the entry from 20 minute, yes, but why be greedy, right? Just get in maybe around like 3 to 5 candle. I would say that you must get the 7 minute entry, 3 to 5 candle on the 40-minute chart. I'm making it very clear. Watch the 40-minute chart. After the reversal candle, you start the 7 minute for the end, watching this 7 minute chart for the entry, but you should have like not more than 5 candle. Somewhere here, you should get the 7-minute clear entry. If not, then the 7-minute chart is too fast, maybe, or too wobbly. It's not going to give you the entry. Then forget about it. It's dangerous. Then around 7, 8, 9 candles on a 40-minute chart, you will have, like, for example, here, it's a 20-minute entry. This is a 20-minute entry. Let me show it to you. What is this? At the time, there's a 426, 600 hour, 426, 600 hour, 426. I don't know if I can go back that 426, 600 hour, 426. 4 means, oh no, that's too far back. I don't think that my 20-minute chart is gonna go that back. No, it's not. April 4, it will probably gonna stop here somewhere. See, it got messed up around 12, April 12, it got messed up. But let me just find a closer entry somewhere. I'll forget about this one. We go somewhere very close to this. We were too far back, right? What the heck we were doing over there, I don't know. Now, for example, this one here. Let's say this one. It's in the middle of nowhere, right? It's not a setup, but with the trend is up. The price is going up. So now 2 red candles, and then you have this one. Take a look at this one, because this is very too fast, too wobbly because of the timing, I guess. Here, after this reversal candle, this is May 8th, around May 8th, starting, right? 0. So May 8th. So we'll look into the 20-minute chart to see if we can find May 8th, May 8th, May 8th, starting the day, May 8th. 0. Oh, by the way, how do you know that what, see, this is starting, no, we watch this one, right? Okay. So this candle ends when this new candle starts. So this one started May 8, 440. After that, you will look for 7 minutes, right? Or 20 minutes. So let me show you the first that what is happening on the 20 minute after that. May 8, 440, right? May 8, 440, right there. So obviously it is not a 20-minute long setup, right? But same time we go here, May 8, 440 on a 7-minute chart, May 8, 440, right? So you see this 440, exactly at 440, you had a long here, right? Then you have a long here, you have a long here, you have a long here, clear long, right? So you can just take that and then you see, that's what I'm talking about. That you can cash out from here to here, maybe. How many pips is? Like 70 pips, right? Easy. So 50, 60, like I said, 50, 60 pip, you cash out because it's going to retrace to make a 20-minute entry. Let's go and take a look at that 20-minute chart. For 5-8, 440, right? 5-8, 5-8, after 5-8, 440. So this was kind of 20-minute setup, but this is a clear 20-minute setup. So from here, you got in from 7 minutes, you go there, you cash out, and then you wait for the 20-minute proper setup. When the 20-minute setup comes in, then you get in again, and then this is the game that you have to play. The first entry from 40-minute turning point is from 7 minute, look for 7 minute, and that should come within five blue candles on the 40-minute. Not blue or red, if it, long, then blue, and if it is short, then, going down, then it's red, right? But first 5 candles after the reversal candle, you should. If not, then forget about the 7 minute. Then even if you see it, don't take it because it's gonna retrace on you. It comes back. You see the 7 minute only for this to cash out this move. Then it comes and then retrace. Then it goes the extension. See, this is extension. Then it is a retracement. Then this one is a retracement of this one, right? This one is a retracement of this one. So all these turning points you can play around, but still with the trend. So means long, try to 7 minute long here, 7 minute long here, 7 minute long here, 7 minute long here. If you want to play 7 minutes. Or just, this is a 20-minute chart, by the way, right? So 40-minute here. So now going from here, you could, take a 7 minute here, maybe another one from here, another one from here, another one from here. Or 20-minute, if you look at it, you don't even need that. See how many 20-minute setups are there? That's what I'm saying. So first entry from 7-minute chart, it is after the turning point on 40-minute chart. When the price making a reversal candle on 40-minute chart, and again, two phases. One, if it is after retracement, or second scenario is that if it is after the extension and it is coming back towards the wave, that is the dangerous one against the trend. With the trend is that this is what all the going long is a with trend. Trend is up, right? So coming from the top is dangerous. It can make the turn and then go against you anytime. So why bother? Don't bother with that. Just wait. Be patient. You will see. So this is a 20-minute setup, by the way. 40-minute chart is this, right? So all of these like turning points, but with the trend. Now, let's say, for example, another one that, this is why the one-on-one is very important. Understand the whole market. This doing up and down, but it is getting to a destination. When you look at the harmonic patterns and Elliott wave, you will notice that this is the end of a Gertley pattern, or this is the end of wave 3, and then after that, it's going to go up for wave 4, making higher highs. So now the game starts from bottom to long, even though it is below the red, but long. Once the 38% or 50%, and you know that the wave 4 is about to finish, then it will make the turn to the downside. And then again, 7-minute short, then 20-minute short, 20-minute short, 20-minute short. You'll come down. Then again, you see this double bottom kind of thing, and then this is an extended move, right? Then again, it's going to make the turn 7 minute and then 20 minute, 20 minute, 20 minute, like that. Right. So it is very important. Like, for example, if I show you this 40-minute chart, let me shrink it. Right. And then I posted on the Telegram this chart, and then I explained it. To see this, this is a correction A, then ABC B, then A, B, C. Now, all of these points, the turning points, when you have this is the extension. Extension levels are 127 and 161, right? So look at that. How many? What level you went there? Very close, between 127 and 161. Then it makes the turn, right? Now, after extension comes retracement, right? So how much is the retracement here to this? From this point to this point? 61%. Then again, this goes beyond this. This is an extension. Then it's right now it's making a double top, right? So this drama happens all the time. So this whole thing is 38% of this whole big move to the upside. This is a flat correction. All of these, you must understand these things. And then, let's go long here, long here, long here. You try long. But then again, once you have like a big move like that, that usually is at wave 3, then it's gonna fall in wave 4, right? So this is typical wave 4. Wave 4 is very dangerous. So, but I told you guys, this is gonna bounce from here. Let me show you if I can. Where is that quickly? You see this? This is a chart I posted on the Telegram earlier, that this is what the drama is happening. Both sides, I said, okay, if it is going to go up, this is what it is. Wave 3, this is A, B, wave 4 ending here, and then it's going to go wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, above this. Okay, that's one scenario, and that's a major scenario. The second is that if it is because of the intervention, it's going to go down, then this is wave 1, 2, and followed by that again 1, 2, and wave 3, where I have these red numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That will be wave 3 of this wave 3, and then for 4, and then 5, and that will end this wave 3, or blah blah blah. So that's how it is. But this end up, my first scenario was that this is wave 4, and we're gonna go up for wave 5. And so far, it looks like that we are going in that direction. Now it's gonna stop here, and then it's gonna drop. Now it's gonna drop here or here, and as a retracement, right? But if they come in again, the Bank of Japan people I'm talking about, then and they do some kind of intervention again, this will go all the way down, right? But if not, then after the retracement, it will go up for wave 3 up there like that. So every turning point, now I'm going to be looking for short here. If I get the reversal candle, remember that. Do we have a reversal candle right now? No, it's the blue candle, right? That's what it is. So on a white line, it's a level. It's an SNR level, right? So if I have a reversal candle like that, and red candles start to print, obviously, I will not open the trade right then and there, but I will wait on the 7-minute chart proper entry. That's how you're supposed to do it, okay? And from now on, see, I did my job. I explained it. I tell you the danger. I'm not gonna hype you up, oh my God, this, you use this and you become millionaire. No. I will tell you the truth, what it is, right? That's why I don't give my ear to everybody, because I want them to do the one-on-one first, because if not, the ear is dangerous, to be honest with you, right? If you use it the wrong way. F-16 can do wonders, right? But if you don't know how to fly, then what the heck, what's going to happen? A big crash, right? So you need to learn how to fly first. Then you can do, a lot of fun thing with that machine, right? That's how it is. So now I'm going to send this video out. But again, practice on the demo account first, please, right? And if you are profitable with 20, then you have no problem. You are ready to go with 7, definitely. That's my concern is the first, practice the 20-minute, become profitable with that, and then use 7-minute and become more profitable with that, just like me. I'm showing you trades left and right, right? Because of that. So this is it for now. Hope that I explained it, and hope that I can save you something, right? some trouble. So bye for now and talk to you guys later.